Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you all how to make this very delicious cinnamon rolls, and if you're interested in this one, then do well to keep on watching. First thing I like to do is to sift my flour. Please always ensure to sift your flour before you make use of them for any kind of pastry at all. After that, I'm going to add in some sugar, salt, milk flavor, full cream powdered milk, and then some active yeast. Then I'm going to give that a good mix. Then make a well in the middle, add in an egg, warm liquid milk, and then butter or margarine, anyone can serve. Mix them all together. You can use a stand mixer if you have one, or a hand mixer as well would serve. But if you don't have, feel free to use your hands and get at work, okay? When need be, do well to top up with warm water. So mix that until you get a dough. Then you transfer that to your work surface and then start kneading. So you should knead this for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. Once the dough has formed, you now transfer it into a bowl. Ensure to drizzle some oil on the bowl so the dough doesn't get to stick to the bowl. Cover that up and then let it rest for about 30 to 45 minutes. While that is resting, you mix up some sugar and cinnamon powder together. After mixing, you now set that aside. Then after 45 minutes, you check on the dough. At this point, it is well rested. So we are now going to split into two equal parts and then work with one part first. You can choose to work with the whole dough at a time if you can control them all. That's totally fine. But I find it more simple to just divide them into two and work with each part first. Once you get the dough out, just gently fold it and spread it out using a rolling pin. So once you know you've achieved this kind of results, then you go ahead to sprinkle the sugar and cinnamon mixture. Once you're done with that, you now proceed to spreading the butter. You can spread the butter first before the cinnamon mixture, whichever way is totally fine. Once you're done with that, you now gently use your hands to fold the dough just as seen in the video. Next, you would use a thread to just take off the edges. Next, we would now use the thread to cut the dough. So make sure to measure properly, okay, so you get a uniform size. Transfer that to your baking tray and then cover and allow to rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, they are all ready to be baked, so I'll pop that into the oven for 15 minutes to 20 degrees C. Our cinnamon rolls are ready, but now we are going to let them cool down completely. Next, mix up some icing sugar and liquid milk together. If after mixing you find out it's a bit lumpy, just pass it through a sieve and you would get the perfect consistency. Once the cinnamon rolls are cooled down completely, you now go ahead to drizzle the icing on them, and our cinnamon rolls are ready. I hope you all get to give this a try. Please don't forget to like this video, drop your comments, and if you get to subscribe, please subscribe and tap the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And please don't forget to check the description below for the recipe. I'll see you all next time. Bye.